Hey, Kelly Carvey is here, and I just wanted to stress to you how important it is to organize your pantry in this stressful time. One way to de-stress is declutter everything. So I went through and I threw out anything that was expired or something that I knew I wasn't going to use to make space for stuff I would use. And it's just a few simple things that can carry your family through an emergency situation or just regular life. So this really helped me de-stress and declutter. So look, I'm really excited. If you look over here, I have tons of like awesome beans, and I got these great jars. They're like $3.99 at the store. And I filled up mason jars with couscous and lentils and beans, all types of beans. You can cook and live off of beans for a long time. Also, I restocked with all the types of pastas that my family loves, from bow tie pastas to orzo pastas. We have some of our favorite cereals, even our guilt cereals, like my Reese's peanut butter cups cereal. Nobody touches that. That's mine. That's my dessert. That's my guilty pleasure food. And then we have down here our canned goods, where you have all of your tomatoes and your beans and your soups and things and stocks that you can use. I got some box stocks, even though I like to make stocks from chickens that I bought. I bought a couple chickens, and when we're done with that, I'll just cook those bones up and make a really nice broth, but this is great in a pinch. So I just want to stress that it's important during these times to just remember that this is a time when we can all come together, make some simple and delicious meals for our families and our friends, and maybe some neighbors that may be sick and shut in. So get organized and get ready, because this is how you are going to feed your family for the next maybe month or two.